Ready to torch some fat and feel amazing? Today, I'm going to take you through an ultimate full-body HIIT workout designed specifically for beginners. This is a high-intensity interval training workout, and the best part, you don't need any fancy equipment, just your body weight and some determination. If you're looking for a fast, effective way to burn calories and boost your metabolism, this workout is perfect for you. HIIT is one of the most efficient ways to shed fat while also building strength and endurance. So let's get ready to sweat. Remember, it's all about giving your best effort during those short bursts of intensity, followed by quick recovery. You'll be done in no time, and trust me, you'll feel incredible afterward. Let's jump right in. Warm up 1 minute. Before we dive into the workout, let's start with a quick warm-up. Warming up is crucial to get your blood flowing and to prep your muscles for the workout ahead. Take about 1 minute here. Start with light movements like jogging in place or doing some arm circles. The goal is to get your heart rate up and loosen up those joints. You want to feel ready to move and give it your all during the main workout. Feeling warm? Alright, let's get into the exercises. Exercise 1. Jumping jacks. 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off. Our first move is a classic, jumping jacks. This exercise is amazing for getting your heart rate up and working your entire body, from your arms to your legs. Jump your feet out while raising your arms overhead, and then jump back to the starting position. Keep the pace up for 45 seconds, pushing yourself as much as you can. Motivation: stay light on your feet and breathe through it. Jumping jacks are fantastic for warming up those muscles and boosting your endurance. You're doing great. Keep moving. After 45 seconds, take a quick 15-second breather. Catch your breath, shake it out, and get ready for the next move. Exercise 2. Body weights. Squats. 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off. Next, we're going to target those legs and glutes with bodyweight squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Lower your body as if you're sitting in a chair, keeping your chest lifted and your weight in your heels. Push through your heels to stand back up and repeat. Motivation: squats are one of the best exercises for burning fat and building strength in your lower body. Feel that burn in your legs and know that every rep is bringing you closer to your goals. Keep it going for 45 seconds, then take another 15-second break. Shake out those legs, and we're moving on to the next exercise. Exercise 3. High knees. 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off. Next up, we're going to elevate that heart rate again with high knees. Run in place, bringing your knees up as high as you can. Keep your core tight and pump your arms to increase intensity. Motivation: high knees are an awesome cardio exercise that works your legs, core, and even arms. You're burning major calories here, so push yourself and get those knees up high. Remember, it's just 45 seconds. Give it your all. Take 15 seconds to recover. Breathe deeply and prepare for the next move. Exercise 4. Push-ups. 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off. Now let's hit the upper body with push-ups. Start in a plank position with your hands under your shoulders. Lower your body toward the floor, keeping your core tight, and then push back up. If you need to modify, drop to your knees, but keep your form strong. Motivation: push-ups are amazing for working your chest, shoulders, arms, and core all at once. Each rep is building strength and burning fat. Push yourself, but remember, it's okay to modify. What matters is that you're moving. Rest for 15 seconds after 45 seconds of work. You're doing amazing. Keep going. Exercise 5. Mountain climbers. 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off. Let's pick up the pace again with mountain climbers. Start in a plank position and drive your knees toward your chest, alternating as if you're climbing. Keep your core engaged and try to move as quickly as possible. Motivation: mountain climbers are a killer full-body exercise. You're working your core, shoulders, and legs, all while keeping your heart rate high. Keep that speed up. This is where the fat burning happens. After 45 seconds, take your 15-second breather and get ready for the next move. Exercise 6. Reverse lunges. 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off. Now let's hit the lower body again with reverse lunges. Step one leg back and lower into a lunge, making sure your front knee stays behind your toes. Push back up to the starting position and repeat on the other leg. Motivation: lunges are fantastic for toning your legs and glutes while also working on your balance. Feel that burn. It means your muscles are working hard. Every step is progress. Take another 15-second break. Grab a sip of water if you need to, and prepare for the final exercise. Exercise 7. Plank. 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off. Let's finish strong with a plank. This is a fantastic core exercise and works more muscles than you'd think. Get into a forearm plank position with your elbows directly under your shoulders and your body in a straight line. Hold this position for as long as you can during the 45 seconds, keeping your core tight. Motivation. Planks are the ultimate core strength exercise, but they also work your arms, legs, and back. You've made it this far. Push through to the finish. Take your final 15-second rest after this one and get ready to cool down. Cool down 1 minute. Now that you've powered through the workout, let's cool down for a minute. Cooling down is just as important as warming up because it helps your body recover and prevents injury. Take some deep breaths and bring your heart rate down slowly. Stretch out your arms, legs, and back, focusing on any areas that feel tight. Give yourself a moment to appreciate what you've just accomplished. You did an incredible job today. And there you have it, your ultimate beginner-friendly full-body HIIT workout. This routine is quick, effective, and hits all the major muscle groups while keeping your heart rate high for maximum fat loss. You can repeat this workout 3 to 4 times a week, and I promise you'll start seeing results before you know it. If you enjoyed this workout, make sure to subscribe for more fat-burning, beginner-friendly routines. And don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how this workout went for you. Let me know which exercise was your favorite or which one really challenged you today. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next workout.